Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming clip type and inspecting the jean waistband. This prevents damage. Once positioned, align the clip prong with the waistband seam edge where it won't rub. You want even spacing, measure roughly 2-3 inches apart for stability. Pinch the fabric gently to see how it sits. Avoid bulky layers. Make sure to place any fabric pad between metal and denim if the clip is sharp. This first step sets the foundation for secure, comfortable clips that stay put during wear. You now attach each clip carefully. Open the clamp wide and slide only the waistband edge into the jaws so the denim sits flat. Once in position, squeeze the clip closed with even pressure. If metal is stiff, use small pliers for a controlled crimp. Once done, perform a gentle pull test to confirm the grip. If it slips, reopen slightly and reposition to catch more seam. Also make sure clips are aligned, so they distribute tension evenly and avoid warping the fabric. You finish by checking comfort and balance. Sit, bend, and walk to ensure clips don't pinch or rotate. Once satisfied, trim stray threads around the clamp and recheck spacing so the jeans hang symmetrically. If a clip pinches or feels sharp, add a thin fabric pad between metal and denim to protect the skin and fabric. If a clip keeps slipping, move it to catch more of the seam or replace with a wider jaw clip. This single tweak resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.